In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly branding in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together, ensuring clarity as you customize your Calendly experience. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Calendly's official website. You can do this simply by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, familiarizing yourself with the home page is a good idea, especially if you're new to Calendly and its array of scheduling features that let you plan appointments without the usual hassle. Now look towards the upper right corner of the home page where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it, which will direct you to a login page. Expect a few different sign-in options here, which will lead us to the next step. For ease and quick access, select the Continue with Google option. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up that asks you to choose which Google account you'd like to associate with Calendly. When faced with the Google account options, highlight and select the one you're going to use. This is typically the account you regularly use for professional or scheduling purposes. Make sure that the account you choose has access to the email and calendar features necessary for Calendly to function optimally. Once you're logged in and inside your Calendly dashboard, direct your attention towards the top right area of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar or initial. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, locate and click on the branding option. This section is where you'll manage the visibility and customization of Calendly branding across your scheduling pages. In the branding section, you will find various settings, including an area labeled Logo. By selecting this, you open the modifications available related to branding. Look for the toggle related to Use Calendly Branding. This option is typically set to default on, which is why you see Calendly's logo and branding on your pages. Click on this toggle to turn off or remove the Calendly branding. As you wrap up these modifications, don't forget the vital step of saving your changes. Find the Save Changes button, which is usually located towards the bottom of the page. Clicking this finalizes your settings, ensuring that everything you've changed is implemented. Take a moment to review the page for any other settings you might want to adjust, but rest assured that you've successfully removed the Calendly branding from your scheduling page. And that's it. You've learned how to take control of your branding experience on Calendly, ensuring a more personalized and professional look for your appointment scheduling. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.